Red Bull. You're giving Red Bull to our opponents? We may as well abandon ship right now. Calm down. Red Bull revitalizes the mind, remember? I only gave it to the ones rolling on the right side of the boat. You see? Red Bull gives you wings.
Well, actually, Red Bull helps to temporarily restore mental alertness or wakefulness when experiencing fatigue or drowsiness.
I think the only thing in your backyard that should get turned on is your barbecue. Want more thrills than life normally offers? Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Wing Sauce provides a restaurant-quality flavor that will thrill you in ways a sexy apron never can.
Air conditioning, sync hands-free technology, nice.
But I'd like it with 0% financing and for you to make my first payment.
Let me check with my boss. I've got a customer who wants 0% purchase financing and us to make the first payment. Can we do it?
Yes.
And there we have it. That's the Boss high security 50mm brass padlock that has mushroom pins in it and horizontal pins. When I bought this lock, the guy told me that it was pretty much unpickable. The package quoted horizontal pins and mushroom pins make this lock virtually unpickable. So there it is, spp'd. I raked it out before, but that's the first time I ever spp'd it. So rate the video, keep it legal, peace, and have fun.